Welcome to our roundup of the best home espresso machines, your ultimate guide to brewing cafe-quality coffee right in your own kitchen. Whether you're an aspiring barista or simply crave that perfect morning espresso, we've selected top-rated machines that deliver rich flavor, creamy crema, and professional consistency. These models combine style, performance, and ease of use, making them ideal for beginners and coffee enthusiasts alike. From semi-automatic to all-in-one designs with built-in grinders, each machine offers something unique for every brewing style. So, let's dive in and discover which espresso machine will elevate your home coffee experience. The next on our list is the Cafovo E120 dual boiler espresso machine. The Cafovo E120 is a premium espresso maker built for true coffee enthusiasts who want commercial-grade performance right at home. Designed with a dual boiler system, it allows you to brew espresso and steam milk simultaneously without any drop in temperature or pressure. This means you can create barista-quality drinks faster and more efficiently, whether you are making single espressos, lattes, or cappuccinos. The 9-bar pressure extraction ensures the ideal brewing environment, pulling rich, flavorful shots with a velvety crema every time. Its PID temperature control system keeps heat consistent to maintain the perfect balance of flavor and aroma across each cup. One of the E120's greatest strengths is its professional build quality. Featuring stainless steel construction and commercial-style components, it's designed to handle frequent use with ease. Next up is the espresso machine with grinder. This all-in-one espresso maker takes convenience to the next level by including a built-in conical burr grinder, ensuring every cup is brewed from freshly ground beans. With adjustable grind settings, users can fine-tune flavor and aroma to their personal taste. Its 20-bar Italian pressure pump delivers barista-level results, extracting full-bodied espresso with a thick, golden crema. The digital temperature control system maintains consistent heat throughout the brewing process, guaranteeing perfect extraction every time. The steam wand is easy to maneuver for milk texturing, allowing you to create creamy cappuccinos and lattes effortlessly. Designed with a sleek stainless finish and intuitive controls, this espresso machine is as beautiful as it is functional. A large water tank and removable bean hopper make it ideal for those who drink multiple cups daily. Overall, this machine is perfect for coffee lovers who value flavor, precision, and convenience in one compact setup. Next, we have the Hybrew semi-automatic espresso coffee machine. The Hybrew is a reliable semi-automatic model that blends user control with professional results. Its 19-bar high-pressure pump ensures optimal extraction, producing rich, aromatic espresso with velvety crema. The advanced thermoblock heating system provides rapid heating and precise temperature stability, letting you brew multiple cups consistently. What sets it apart is the manual steam wand, which gives users full control over milk frothing for customized latte art and creamy foam. The ergonomic design and stainless finish give it a professional feel, while its intuitive control panel makes operation simple, even for beginners. Overall, the Hybrew semi-automatic espresso coffee machine is ideal for anyone seeking professional quality espresso at home with an easy-to-use interface and durable construction. Coming up next, we have the Cafelf espresso machine. The Cafelf machine is designed to deliver consistent cafe-quality espresso with minimal effort. Equipped with a professional 20-bar pressure pump, it extracts coffee evenly for bold flavor and perfect crema every time. The intelligent PID temperature control system maintains steady heat, ensuring the ideal brewing conditions for espresso, cappuccino, or latte. Its multi-angle steam wand makes frothing milk effortless, producing rich, creamy foam for your favorite drinks. Built with a sleek stainless steel body, the Cafelf looks elegant in any kitchen while offering long-lasting durability. The simple interface, featuring illuminated buttons and an intuitive knob, makes operations smooth and beginner-friendly. The removable drip tray accommodates taller cups, and the large water tank reduces the need for frequent refills. Overall, the Cafelf espresso machine provides excellent brewing precision, beautiful design, and versatility at a great value. The last one on our list is the Hybrew 6-in-1 capsule coffee machine. If you love variety, this is the ultimate all-rounder. The Hybrew 6-in-1 supports multiple brewing systems, including Nespresso capsules, Dolce Gusto pods, ground coffee, and more, giving you total flexibility in how you enjoy your coffee. Its 19-bar Italian pressure pump ensures rich extraction for espresso, lungo, or Americano, while the fast thermoblock heating system allows brewing in just 25 seconds. This makes it perfect for those busy mornings when you want quick yet delicious results. Compact and stylish, it fits easily into small spaces while offering plenty of options for customization. The one-touch control design simplifies use, and the adjustable cup holder accommodates different mug sizes. Overall, the Hybrew 6-in-1 capsule coffee machine is an excellent choice for those who value convenience, speed, and flexibility in their daily coffee routine. So, that's it for our list of the best espresso machines for your home. Whether you prefer the precision of a semi-automatic, the all-in-one convenience of a grinder system, or the flexibility of a capsule machine, each option here delivers top-tier flavor and reliability. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more coffee gear roundups. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.